Hi, students, and welcome to week 9 in your online lifespan growth and development course. This week, we are looking at chapter 9, which is over the physical and cognitive development in adolescence. So we finally hit looking at those teenage years. Let's take a look at our module for the week. So as always, you have your PowerPoint slides in here. There is another assignment that goes in with your semester long lifespan project. So I'll come back and talk about that. You have a Connect video assignment on puberty and brain development, and then your chapter 9 quiz. So these two assignments in Connect, the video assignment and the quiz. And then let's take a closer look at what I'm asking for you to do with this tracking. So I want you to pick one day, a 24-hour span. Be as honest as you can. This is really more a reflective assignment for you than for it to look a certain way for me. And what I want you to do is monitor your own social media use. So just be honest. How much time are you on? And I know there's so many these days, but I guess probably Facebook is outdated, but maybe it's TikTok, maybe it's Instagram, Be Real, messenger app of some sort, right? You know all of those outlets that we use. And just pick your top 3 and report how often within that 24-hour period you spent on each of those. And I know some of us have it set up where our phone, we can go back and look at those records. You can kind of guesstimate too. If you don't use social media, then maybe you might use like Netflix or video games or something along those lines. The idea here is kind of screen time, where we are engaged with something on a screen more than people, because we know that's changing the psychology of how we communicate with others. So if you have an idea of what your own usage is, and maybe if you're even outside of adolescence, which I certainly am, but it still gives me an idea of what my own teenagers might be spending and how that might look for them. So that's what I want you to do, is record that and report that information to me. Again, if you don't use social media, use Netflix or another streaming app or TV or computer, or if you really don't, you just tell me that you spend your time on Canvas doing homework or what have you. And then what I want you to do is reflect and answer these 3 questions here. So, kind of like you're doing with your journal entries, there's no particular format or length or anything along those lines. Just really honestly give me a reflection of what you found after tracking your screen time for a 24-hour period. And you can just upload that to this assignment. And it is simple as that, because I want you to have that experience of your own usage as we apply that concept to what's going on down the road with our teenagers. Hope this helps. Have a great week, everyone. Your regular Connect assignment, your Chapter 9 quiz, and then this assignment is what you have due by Sunday. Take care, everybody.